Hello, welcome to the channel. Thanks very much for watching. This is a special video. There's a close-up there of the pinion. This is going to be a close-up of installing the hour, minute, and particularly the second hand. So there won't be the full watch or anything. I'm literally just showing you what happens in close-up when I put each of these hands on. So this is the hour hand. There you go, that's sliding on now. Notice I've taken the right hand size, the hand pusher has got the right size to go over that sort of barrel, that cylinder sticking through the middle of the pinion, which allows it to push down all the way on the hour hand. Now the minute hand, again a different size hand pusher, slightly smaller. This is the 1.0, this one. No, I think I was actually. I just realised I was pushing down on the pinion for the second hand there, but luckily it's a bit flexible, so it's sprung back into shape. I'm just straightening the minute hand to get it straight over the hour hand, and I'm pushing down. Okay, and now that the hour hand and the minute hand are on, the last bit that's left is that bit sticking out for the second hand. Now, this is a more normal view of the watch face and the hour and minute hands, so I'm going to obviously at this level you can't even see the thing sticking out in the middle of that pinion. So now it's time to put the second hand on. Now I get this up to eye level, and I have high magnification. It's either 10 or 15 depending on how I feel, and because it's monocular, it's not like a pair of binoculars. It's just one loop. Then I've only got one lens to look through, so it's hard. It's not stereoscopic vision, is what I'm trying to say. So you have to mess about until you can get the sort of cylinder of the second hand directly over the pinion. So time after time, I'm sort of trying to slot it down over, and I'm looking at it through a magnifying lens. But there'll come a point when I get it exactly over, and once that cylinder is over the point, then you can push down, and that's what you've got to do when you're pushing these hands down. Get the cylinder exactly over the point, not to the side of it, because you'll push it out the way or break it. Get it over the point. Now, there you go. Now push down, and it's on. There. Just making sure it's firmly on, and that's it. That's how to install the second hand in particular. I mean, I think most people can deal with the hour and minute hands relatively easily. It's the second hand that seems to give people the problems. But yeah, that's how it's done, and I'll leave it there. I'll leave you to enjoy the watch face, and see you next time.